Did you know that what you drink every day could make or break your kidney health? If you've ever wondered how to naturally boost your kidneys, you're in the right place, because today, we're revealing the 6 best natural drinks for your kidney health. Our kidneys are powerhouses, filtering out harmful substances and keeping our bodies running smoothly. But how can you support these hard-working organs and keep them in peak condition? The answer is simpler than you might think. It's all about the beverages you choose to drink. Sure, many of us stay hydrated, but here's the catch: it's not just about drinking water. Too often, we grab drinks loaded with hidden sugars, like fruit juices, sweet tea, or soda. These sugary options can raise your risk of obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, 3 major contributors to kidney disease. So how do we swap out these sugary drinks for healthier choices that actually help our kidneys? That's exactly what we're going to cover today. And there's more. In this video, we'll not only introduce you to these amazing drinks, but we'll also break down the science behind their benefits. You'll discover how they support your kidney health and, most importantly, how to easily make them part of your daily routine. You'll be amazed by how much your kidney health can improve just by adding these drinks to your daily diet. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, black coffee. If you love coffee, you'll be happy to know that it's very good for your kidneys too. According to some studies, drinking black coffee regularly can reduce the risk of kidney stones and acute kidney injury. One study published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases used genetic data from hundreds of thousands of people and found that increasing coffee intake from 1 cup a day to 1.5 cups per day reduces the risk of kidney stones by 40%. Another study by Johns Hopkins medicine researchers revealed that consuming at least 1 cup of coffee a day reduces the risk of acute kidney injury by 15% when compared to those who do not drink coffee. The researchers suggested that coffee and caffeine improve blood flow and oxygen use within the kidneys, protecting them from injury and disease. This is because coffee contains antioxidants and caffeine, which have anti-inflammatory and diuretic effects. However, not all coffee drinks are healthy, and if you have kidney disease, you need to limit your intake. Drinking black coffee instead of coffee with high potassium and high phosphorus milk or high-calorie sugary drinks will be your best bet. As with everything, enjoy your black coffee in moderation, and pay attention to how your body reacts to it. Some people have a gene variant that makes them metabolize caffeine slowly, which could increase their risk of kidney dysfunction if they drink too much coffee. Consult your doctor before increasing your coffee intake. Number 2. Green tea, revered for its polyphenolic richness, contains a plethora of powerful antioxidants, including catechin. These antioxidants play a pivotal role in combating oxidative stress, a condition that can detrimentally affect the kidneys due to their constant filtration and waste removal processes. Green tea's capacity to neutralize harmful free radicals can be instrumental in reducing this oxidative burden, offering substantial advantages for kidney well-being. Scientific investigations have meticulously explored the interplay between green tea consumption and kidney health. Notably, these studies have underscored several critical points. Firstly, green tea's ability to regulate blood pressure, primarily attributed to its rich catechin content, holds immense promise in safeguarding the kidneys. High blood pressure is a recognized risk factor for kidney disease, and green tea's anti-hypertensive effects can potentially mitigate this risk. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of green tea are of significant relevance. Chronic inflammation can inflict harm upon the kidneys, and the capacity of green tea compounds to suppress inflammatory pathways may be instrumental in reducing the likelihood of kidney damage. Moreover, the antioxidative defenses conferred by green tea's polyphenols are paramount. These antioxidants serve as protective shields for renal cells, countering damage induced by oxidative stress. Consequently, green tea serves as a means to preserve kidney function and thwart the progression of kidney ailments. Additionally, the potential for green tea to assist in managing diabetes cannot be understated. Type 2 diabetes is a substantial predisposing factor for kidney disease, and green tea's ability to enhance insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose levels helps diminish the risk of diabetic nephropathy, a diabetes-related kidney complication. Lastly, the anti-fibrotic attributes observed in animal studies with green tea compounds hold promise. Kidney fibrosis often manifests in chronic kidney disease, and green tea's anti-fibrotic effects offer therapeutic avenues to hinder or decelerate fibrosis progression within the kidneys. Do you want to know the best green tea brewing method? First, remember that to achieve all the benefits of green tea, you should use high-quality loose-leaf green tea, not tea bags. This ensures that you are using the whole tea leaves and their valuable essence. Pour non-boiling water over the tea leaves and let it steep for about 10 seconds. Discard this water to remove some of the initial tea compounds, eliminating any stimulating substances and ensuring the pure taste of green tea. Next, pour hot, not boiling water onto the tea leaves and let the tea steep for 1 or 2 minutes. This process allows the tea leaves to fully open up and release the essence of green tea, enabling you to enjoy all the nutritional benefits it offers. However, if green tea bags are your only option, you can still enjoy their benefits for your kidney health. Try this method and feel the difference. Number 3. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is a remarkable beverage with a multitude of potential benefits for kidney health. Its rich antioxidant content, particularly proanthocyanidins, equips it with anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable ally against chronic inflammation, a contributing factor to kidney damage and dysfunction. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2013 corroborated these effects, demonstrating that cranberry juice consumption led to a reduction in markers of inflammation in subjects with chronic kidney disease. Furthermore, cranberry juice has long been revered for its ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. The proanthocyanidins present in cranberries act as a shield, preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining and thus diminishing the risk of UTIs. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2016 substantiated this claim, revealing that cranberry products, including cranberry juice, can effectively reduce the recurrence of UTIs, a benefit that positively impacts the entire kidney health spectrum. As if that weren't enough, cranberry juice also provides formidable antioxidant protection. Oxidative stress can wreak havoc on kidney cells and contribute to kidney diseases. A comprehensive review in Advances in Nutrition in 2019 underscored the potential of cranberry polyphenols in alleviating oxidative stress and fortifying kidney function. But the benefits of cranberry juice don't stop there. For individuals at risk of kidney disease due to high blood pressure, cranberry juice offers potential support. Studies published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2015 have hinted at cranberry juice's role in moderately reducing blood pressure, a significant boon for kidney health, especially among hypertensive individuals. Lastly, cranberry juice even helps prevent the formation of certain kidney stones, including the common calcium oxalate stones. The compounds within cranberry juice have the remarkable ability to thwart the crystallization of calcium oxalate in the urine, potentially reducing the likelihood of stone formation. Number 4. Lemon juice. First and foremost, lemon juice stands out for its high citrate content. Citrate, a compound found abundantly in lemon juice, plays a crucial role in preventing the formation of kidney stones, especially calcium oxalate stones. This occurs because citrate binds to calcium ions in the urine, reducing the availability of calcium for stone formation, as confirmed by a study in the Journal of Urology in 2007. Moreover, despite its acidic taste, lemon juice has an alkalizing effect once metabolized in the body. This alkalization is particularly valuable for maintaining an optimal urinary pH level. Studies, such as the one in the British Journal of Urology International in 2009, highlight the potential of lemon juice to raise urinary pH levels and decrease the risk of certain types of kidney stones, including uric acid stones. Lemon juice also boasts significant antioxidant properties, primarily due to its high vitamin C content. Antioxidants are essential for combating oxidative stress, which can damage kidney cells over time. A study published in Free Radical Biology and Medicine in 2005 emphasized the potential of vitamin C in lemon juice to reduce oxidative stress. In addition to its antioxidant benefits, lemon juice can act as a mild diuretic, stimulating increased urine production when consumed in moderation. Adequate hydration and mild diuretic effects help flush out waste products and reduce fluid retention. Furthermore, chronic inflammation poses a threat to kidney health. Lemon juice contains compounds like flavonoids that exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. This anti-inflammatory potential helps protect kidney tissues from damage caused by persistent inflammation. To reap these benefits, start your day with a simple mixture: 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of pure lemon juice, and 500 ml of water on an empty stomach. This combination provides acetic acid from apple cider vinegar, citric acid from lemon juice, and vitamin C, all of which support kidney cleansing. Number 5. Beet juice. Beet juice is well known for its remarkable nitrate content, which plays a crucial role in supporting kidney health. When consumed, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, NO, within the body, a process that has been extensively studied. Nitric oxide acts as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and potentially leading to reduced blood pressure. Notably, a study published in the Hypertension Journal in 2008 demonstrated a significant reduction in blood pressure as a result of dietary nitrate supplementation, similar to what beet juice provides. Furthermore, beets are a rich source of antioxidants, including betalains and vitamin C. These antioxidants are essential for combating oxidative stress and inflammation, processes closely linked to kidney health. Scientific investigations, such as the one published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2001, highlighted the potent antioxidant capacity of beet extracts. In addition to their antioxidant properties, beets positively impact kidney stone prevention. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2013 emphasized how beetroot extract reduced the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, a common component of kidney stones. Nonetheless, it is crucial to exercise moderation when incorporating beet juice into your diet, especially if you have pre-existing kidney conditions. Excessive nitrate intake can potentially affect renal function negatively, as observed in certain research studies. Number 6. Water. This might seem obvious, but water is actually the best drink for your kidneys. Water, the elixir of life, is not just a thirst quencher, it is a fundamental player in maintaining kidney health. Water is the magical solvent that helps dissolve waste substances, making it easier for the kidneys to flush them out through urine. Adequate water intake ensures that this filtration process runs smoothly, preventing the buildup of toxins that could compromise kidney function. Water dilutes the substances that lead to stone formation, acting as a natural deterrent against this common and often excruciating condition. By staying hydrated, you also contribute to maintaining blood pressure within a healthy range. Water helps the blood vessels relax, reducing the workload on the heart and indirectly supporting kidney health. Hydration helps maintain the delicate balance of electrolytes, ensuring that the kidneys can effectively regulate these essential substances in the blood. This balance is pivotal for the optimal functioning of nerves, muscles, and, of course, the kidneys. Adequate water intake also serves as a natural defense against urinary tract infections. It dilutes and flushes out bacteria that find their way into the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infection. By keeping the urinary system well hydrated, you create an environment less conducive to the proliferation of harmful microbes. The question that often arises is, how much water is enough? While the famed 8x8 rule, 8 8-ounce glasses a day, is a good starting point, individual hydration needs vary. Factors such as age, weight, physical activity, and climate influence how much water your body requires. Listening to your body's signals, such as thirst, and observing the color of your urine can provide valuable cues about your hydration status. If you found this information valuable, share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering insights on health and well-being. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, take care of your kidneys and each other.